Yes.
When it record, it turn 1 minute, it will turn off itself like this. So if you want to see, you touch here one time, pop, it turn on again. This beautiful, and we have a big mirror here. Yeah. Okay, I can continue. You can tell even the price. And that you all guys, let me tell
Yes,
you.
yes, I will tell. I will tell.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. The room is 700 rand in a night. That's around.
Something like because 100 rand is something like €5.
€5. Yeah.
So you can do times 7, 5 times 7, you get your own answer. Because something like a 35 US dollars.
That's true.
Per night. Yeah.
Yes.
You see, Robert is showing you the way this.
Ja, het is nou buiten donker. We hebben hem alvast dicht gedaan. En hier hebben we een tafeltje om te werken. Ja, daar zit hij dan, onze Wilfer.
Hello, all is good. What do who is your family doing? What do jij morgen? Dank u wel. My name is...
Oh, hello. Like and subscribe. Comment below.
Yeah. I appreciate that.
1 day and 3 days is cheaper.
Yeah.
You get a whole lot of things.
Alright guys. And what is your mother language over there?
Oh, Spanish.
Spanish. Oh, ¿cómo estás?
Yes, ¿cómo estás? Hola,
Gracias.
¿cómo estás?
Karibu Tanzania. Make sure you see everything. It's fine now. You can click the same button again. So you go to start your exercise.
Yes. You recording now?
Yeah, it's recording.
Yes.
You have to turn it back so that you can see if it's recording. You see that red light?
Yes.
That red light it is.
Oh, it's 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Mambo VP. What's up guys? I am Wegem DC. Welcome in this channel. We're doing a hotel tour today. This is our room. Yes. As you see here in back my backpack. Yes. And we come to the first door is the bedroom. You see, there's a toilet. Oh, you can take a shower, very nice shower. Yes. Yeah, and you can see, yeah, the soap. Yes. You can here brush your teeth. Yes, hello. Yes, a very nice shower. You have a lot of space here. Nice. Yes. Yes, and then we go to the next thing. We go to the beds. You see, two single beds. We have a lot of space. Yes, this is my bed. It's a bed of Wegem. Yes, and he's sitting here, Wegem. You
Hello
have
guys.
your space for the laptop.
Yeah, this is my table guys. I'm always doing, this is what I do after vlogging during the day. In the evening like this, I'm always taking some files, you know, moving around, you know the story. Yeah, we are in this hotel. Actually it's our first day today, and Yeah, I'm here busy with my computer. I asked my friend Robert to help me to do a room tour because I'm a bit tired today. We had a long day and a lot of works ahead of me, as you can see. Yeah, we're in this beautiful, and we have a big mirror here. Yeah. Okay, yeah, you can continue. You can tell even the price. And that you all guys, let me tell you.
Yes, I will tell. I will tell.
Okay.
Yes. The room is 700 rand in a night. That's around.
Something like because 100 rand is something like €5.
€5.
So you can do times 7, 5 times 7, you get your own answer. Because something like a 35 US dollars
That's true.
per night. Yeah.
Yes.
You see, Robert is showing you the way this room looking is very beautiful.
Yes.
And it's affordable. As you can see, we are in the touristy city in South Africa, Cape Town. So this price is normal. Other places we used to pay sometimes 10 US dollar, 15, 20. You know the story.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
It's showroom. Yes. And window. And this, I like it. This is my favorite wall. You see?
Yeah.
Very nice.
And the sad thing is, in my home country, if you have the wall like that in your house, people they say you don't have money, you are very poor because you can't paint it like this, like other wall like this.
Yes.
So they say this guy is very poor, and you will see people who have money, they don't leave their house like that. They must put a paint like this one. So here it is a fashion, and not only here. I see even in many developed countries they just leave it as a decoration. But in my home country, you can't leave a house like this. People they will be like, oh, this guy. You don't have money to do these finishing things. You see. So it's like that, guys. Maybe continue with Robert. I myself I
Yes.
don't have many things to tell you today.
Yes. This is the painting. Yes. 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 A lot of flowers. Yes, very nice for the decoration of this wall.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Exactly. It's not the whole room like this wall, but the rest is normal. Yes. You see? And we have a beautiful lamp.
Yeah.
Yes, give a lot of light. Yes. Yes, and a little lamp for the entry. Yes, you see. Yes, it's a little room. It's a little room, but a very nice room for to sleep, for the people to a little bit rest. Yeah, and I say, this is a good hotel for people who stay here in Cape Town. Yes, I say, Kwaheri, goodbye.
And also one thing, you can just talk anything shortly about this room and the price and stuff like that in your language, in Dutch. Yeah, you can just talk
Yes.
a little bit roughly in the Dutch. So maybe one of your friends or anyone who understands the Afrikaans or Dutch will be happy to see the way you speak your mother language.
Goed, dan ga ik nou verder in het Nederlands of Zuid-Afrikaans, zoals ze zeggen. Dit is de ingang. Ja, komt hier in de gang. En dan ga ik het even een beetje in. Hier kan je de tas neerzetten. Zo. En dan hebben we hier bij de eerste deur een douche, wc. Yes, niet veel ruimte, maar oké, het is very goeie douche. Een zeepflesje. Ja, en een spiegel, wastafel. Ja, genoeg ruimte om jou mooi te wassen. En dan hebben wij de bedden. Ja, je kunt hier een 2-persoonsbed van maken of een 1-persoonsbed. Ja, wat je kiest. Natuurlijk de raam. Ja, het is nou buiten donker. We hebben hem alvast dicht gedaan. Ja, en hier hebben we een tafeltje om te werken. Ja, daar zit hij dan, onze Wilfer.
Hello, alles goed? What do jij, how is jouw family doing? Wat doe jij morgen? Dankjewel. Mijn naam is Welfare. Wegame. Okay, subscribe. Thank you.
Yes. Ja, dit is de normale muur, maar wat ik zelf persoonlijk leuk vind is deze muur. Zeg maar die tegeltjes hier zo. Ja, dat vind ik zelf wel een heel mooie decoratie. En een heel klein schilderijtje met wat bloemetjes. Ja, natuurlijk een licht bij de uitgang en natuurlijk een mooie lamp boven de bedden. Goed, dan zal ik nou zeggen tot zover de hoteltour. Ik zal zeggen in het Nederlands, ja, bedankt voor het kijken. Subscribe hieronder ergens op de button onder deze video. En ik zal zeggen, kwaheri, goodbye, tot ziens.
Tot ziens. Ja, tot ziens. Dankjewel.
Dankjewel.
Okay, I come from Tanzania. Thank you very much. Yeah.
From Kilimanjaro?
Yeah. Actually, that is the highest mountain in Africa. 3 different countries, like from Holland, South Africa, and Tanzania. Taking them.
Yo, well, enjoy your stay.
Okay, enjoy too.
Subscribe to Wegam DC.
Everything is full booked.
Welcome to Durban.
Alright. We're coming from somewhere there. Woo! Okay. Can you say hello to my audience?
Hi.
Yeah.
I'm Crystal.
Crystal.